Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Ava, and in today's video, I'm going to be doing a tutorial on how to make a fortune teller. But before I get started, make sure you guys smash that like, smash the subscribe button, press the bell so you don't miss any of my videos, and comment down below if you want to know how to make anything, and I'll do a tutorial on it, just like my guy Bob the Builder did. It wasn't a tutorial. So let's just get straight into the tutorial. Let's go. Alright, so I'm at my placemat. Now if you see, this is what it's supposed to look like. So let's put that aside. Let me show you what things you guys will need before doing this. It's only 3 simple things you probably have around your house. You will need scissors. Make sure to be careful. Markers. Make sure to be careful. Don't get them on your clothes, kids. And a blank piece of paper. Alright, what you're going to do is you're going to hold your paper like this. And not hold, place it down like this on your placemat. You're going to take the top corner, whatever corner you want, and you're going to take it and you're going to fold it down, but make sure it doesn't really go over the edge, and then flatten it out. You should get like a boat shape. And then we're going to take this big space left under the triangle, and we're going to be folding it up like that. So now you got like a little triangle hat. And now we're going to unfold it. And you should see a line right there. What you're going to do is you're going to cut along the triangle on the line that you folded on the track. Just like that. Okay? And now you're going to unfold it, and you should see a diamond. Now, it's easy to fold it this way because that's where the line is, but the 2 ends that are connecting the lines, you're going to fold. So take one, fold it. And you're going to unfold it, and now you should have a kite-like thing. And now you're going to just take each birdie seed, and you're going to fold it in until you get like this. You're just going to put down this one, and you're good. So you have that. Okay, and now if you flip it over to the other side, there's still a line and a cross. You're going to take these corners and fold them in. Okay. And now you start to have it. So now we'll just fold it like that. You take these, warm it up by just starting with it, and you'll see this. So let me warm this up and I'll be right back. Alright, so I warmed it up. As you can see, we get this. And now you see, if you just unfold it like that and you flip it over, these are the things you put your hands in. But we're still going to put our colors on them. So you're going to write 4 colors, I mean. But you're going to write them in the color marker. So the colors I'm going to do are pink, orange, yellow, and blue. Okay? I'm going to do these colors. So on each one, I'm going to see where it lines up. And do it. So we have, you don't have to do the same exact colors I'm doing, but you can. So pink, orange, yellow might be a little hard to see. Yellow or blue. So we have pink, orange, yellow, or blue. Alright, now it may look like we did it wrong because our hands go in like that, but we didn't. See? Alright, how do we do the numbers? Well, there are 8 spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. On each space, we're going to write a number. Now, you can write the numbers in any color. You can even do it with pencil. I'm going to be writing my color in gray. And a gray marker, though, not in a pencil. And then just write numbers 1 to 8. Or they don't have to be 1 to 8. They can be like 1, 13, 20, 100. Well, but you can't count like that, because that will just take forever. And once you finish, it should look like that. Okay? So we're almost done. Almost. So now if I said yellow, Y-E-L-L-O-W, and I say 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and I say 7, oh, there would usually be a fortune under 7, but there's not. So that's what we have to do. So you're going to take the same color you wrote your numbers in, and you're going to make a line separating all the numbers on the back. Like that. Okay? So this may take around 10 to 20 minutes to do. You're going to write a fortune in each. Like, you will win the lottery. I'll just share some of the ones I did to my pre-made one. I did, you have a hidden talent. You will win the lottery. You will be rich. You will win $10,000. You will get lucky on your birthday. You won't have an early love. And you will marry a celebrity, or you lose. That just means you don't get a fortune this time. This was kind of beating it because I took it on the bus. So let's take some time to do that. You can do it in a marker. Doesn't really matter what you do any of this stuff in. So let's get writing. Alright, so I finished. I don't know about you. You can pause this video if you need to. So 1 was you will be famous. 2 was you will get a mansion one day. 3 was you will have a hidden talent. 4 was you will win $10,000. 5, you will win the lottery. 6, you will get lucky on your birthday. 7, you will be a singer when you grow up. And then 8, you will marry a celebrity. And if they're already married, I'll just tell them to pick a different number. So you finished your very own fortune teller. So how do you get back to the main menu after putting these numbers down? Well, you know that there's a line straight down the middle. So you just fold it up. You stick your fingers in. And I'll do it to myself. And as an example, if I pick pink, P-I-N-K. And 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And I pick 1. I open it up. You will be famous. Wow, that's my fortune. Maybe I will be famous. I close it. I do it all over again. So, like I said, they're going to be similar. They are pretty similar. There's some of the same fortunes in this one. So, shout out to my friends who wanted me to show them how to make it. This video is especially for you guys to watch. So, yeah. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, please smash that like button, smash the subscribe, and press the bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Before I say bye-bye, I want to give a shout out to all of my friends wondering how to make these, because this video is especially for you guys. Names will be in the descriptions, and I will put their channel link in the description down below if you want to see their YouTube channel, but none of them have YouTube channels. Till the next time, why? Did I say why? Till the next time, bye!